Welcome. We are going to learn about variables and the type of variables in this video. Talking about the type of variables. So now let's get started with the type of variable. Okay. So the variables means suppose we want to calculate the height of people. Like you see the name of people. Okay, that's a name. Suppose that name contain Ram, Syam, Sita, and so on. And these names are called as element. And height that we take in centimeter, suppose 160 centimeter, 150 centimeter, 140 centimeter, and this each height we call it as observations. Okay, we call it as observations. But if you see here, these all values get rise. No any values are constant. Okay, that's no value constant here. Every step, every individual has got their own height, and that's why we also call this whole as a variable. Okay, so talking about definitions of variables, so the variables that can be measures. So talking about the variable is a characteristic, and here is the characteristics is height. Height is a characteristics here. Okay, under the investigations that assume different value for the different elements. Here is a different elements at Ram, Syam, Sita, and we got different value, and we call it variables. Now talking about the type of variables are basically two types, namely quantitative variables and qualitative variables. Then first, let's understand about qualitative variables. So these are those variables we measures variables in the numerical form or in numeric form, and that what is called quantitative data. Okay. Basically, quantitative data are two types. One is discrete and another is continuous. Okay, so discrete is that types of quantitative variables we take here fixed value. For example, if you want to count the number of cars, then we count 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on, because there is no any decimals number are considered. No decimals number are considered. Okay. Similarly, the continuous variables are those variables their numbers or their numerical data varies from one point to another. Suppose we want to know about its suppose the time taken by a student to complete an exam, maybe it ranges to 60 to maybe it ranges from 30 to 60 minutes. Okay, and we will complete our examinations between these time, maybe 45.67 minutes or maybe 48.9 minutes, and so on. And these types of variables have no any fixed value, that always fall under certain range, and these types of variables we called as continuous variable. The last one is qualitative variables. Let's understand about the quality variable. Talking about qualitative variable, so it can be a variable that cannot assume into the numeric number. Okay, their value cannot be assumed in a numeric orders. For example, suppose we want to know about the status of university graduate student, then we categorize it as freshman. Okay, then sophomore, then junior or senior, and so on. And these types of categorizations fall under the qualitative variables. Not only this, there is also, we can say that brands of computer, maybe HP or Dell or Acer or Asus and so on. These all are qualitative types of variables. So this is about the variables and the type of variables. Thank you.